Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be having a look at the Joy charcoal stove. So I like to keep up with new products as they arrive in the UK, and it's great to see that there's some really good tabletop barbecues appearing, tabletop grills, tabletop stoves, that kind of thing that run off charcoal or wood. And I was very excited to hear about the Joy charcoal stove. It's brought into the UK by Mark Parr, otherwise known as Lord Logs. He's from the London Log Company and top bloke, and he knows a thing or two about barbecuing and grilling and cooking outdoors. So I was very excited that he is excited about this product. So yeah, without further ado, let's have a quick look at it. Comes nicely boxed up. So Joy charcoal stove, lovely. So this is the large stove, okay, and here it is. Okay, first things first, it's very robust, it's very solid, looks really nicely made. It's made out of cast aluminium, which is an unusual product to use, but I think a good one. Let's have a look and put this down. So also in the box is a stainless steel grill grate, so you can put that on top to grill with. Put that aside for a minute. So what sets this apart instantly, that's different, is these concentric circles on top. You can lift out the first one. It's very thick. I'd say it's probably about 5 or 6 mil, something like that. So very thick aluminium. So these rings, you can take them out and they're different sizes like that. You can keep your charcoal in a more focused area in the centre if you want with this ring. There's a cast iron grate in the bottom. You adjust the heat using these vents here. And there's an ash pan in the bottom. So you can either use the rings or you could use the grate on top. And that looks really nice sides to cook on. So there's handles here, there's a handle on top. What's interesting about these handles is that they fold down and then you can put charcoal underneath here, like that. And they're on both sides. So if you want to feed more charcoal into the grill, you can do that from both sides. That's really good. It means you don't need to take your food off and stop it cooking. Okay, so I'm looking forward to using this. It's a really interesting, different bit of kit. I can see myself doing some grilling, some wok cooking, I can use like a cast iron pan on top of this, and trying different combinations. This looks really promising. I'm excited to have a play with this. So thank you for sending it for me to have a try. I'll be doing full cooking and reviews on this in the next upcoming videos, so look forward to seeing those. Okay, so if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment and let me know you like my videos. Cheers.